This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Rinse and dry the prawns so they aren't slippery. Lay one on a clean board, then use a small sharp knife or shears to cut a shallow groove along the back from head to tail. Make the cut just deep enough to expose the dark thread. This minimizes meat loss. Once done with the first few, keep the rest chilled in ice water to stop bacterial growth and keep shells firm for easier handling. Now you remove the vein. Use the knife tip, a toothpick, or your fingernail to hook the dark intestinal tract and pull it out in one motion. Pull gently. Excessive force rips the meat and leaves bits behind. If it breaks, make a slightly deeper cut and flush the groove under running cold water to clear remaining grit. For shell-on prawns, work through the cut edge so you don't crack the shell and lose juices. Finish by giving each cleaned prawn a quick rinse and pat dry. Moisture ruins searing. Once done, inspect both sides for any remaining dark streaks and remove them the same way. If a vein is stubborn or breaks repeatedly, remove the head and gently press along the belly toward the tail to expel the contents, then rinse. Troubleshooting tip: if meat tears often, chill prawns a bit longer. Firmer flesh separates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.